Hey guys, this is Patrick with UCF's Outdoor Adventure, and this is Bucket. He's a dog. And today we are still going through all of the backcountry recipes that we use on our trips, just to show you guys some easy recipes that most people have ingredients for that are just laying around the house. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook a crowd favorite, the Pita pizza. Thanks for watching, you guys. We really appreciate it. If you like this recipe, you can try it out yourself. It's a really good replacement until Lazy Moon opens back up. And you can try it out with maybe just ingredients that you have laying around the house. This isn't a perfect science, so just add whatever you think is right, and it'll probably turn out pretty good. If you like this content, feel free to follow us on Instagram at UCF Outdoor Adventure. But until then, stay safe, you guys, and remember to wash your hands.